from 44 High School, Jakarta, and today I'm going to show you on how to make a school planner. So the materials that will be used is, the first one, a notebook. It could be a blank paper, a dotted paper, or a lined paper. I'm using the lined paper. Second one is pen, glue, markers, colored pencils, a ruler, and a magazine. This is optional. Now let's get to the video. Firstly, start by writing your name, grade, or phone number in front of the notebook cover. Secondly, write your class schedule on the first page with colored markers. Then, on the second page, divide the page into 5 sections as for 5 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. By making a vertical columns or horizontal rows with a ruler and a pen. Label each section with days and add the dates. From here on, you can list your daily assignments on each day, and you can also write an upcoming events. Lastly, decorate each page with colored pencils, paints, or even add a cutout materials from a magazine by sticking them with glue. Here is my final designs. I decorate them a little bit more with some colored pencils, and you can decorate yours however you like. Now, your notebook is ready to go. Make sure to write down your assignments or add a school note every day so that you wouldn't forget to do them. That's it on how to make a school planner. I hope this video is useful for everyone who needs it. And thank you, Mr. Alif, for assigning us this kind of exam. It is very knowledgeable. And thank you everyone for watching. Have a nice day.